Hi everybody, this is JJ Long from JJArtworks and welcome to another software tutorial. I love doing these little videos to sort of show people different tips and tricks when it comes to the business side of things, because I do a lot of admin work for my company. And over the past several years, I've actually created a lot of different training tutorial videos for everyone on my team. I've probably done like hundreds of videos. And it's actually something that I really like doing. I know it sounds crazy, but I thought maybe I'd show you a really cool feature in Gmail, which is something I just discovered how to do this year. I don't know why it took me so long to do this, but I learned how to use the schedule send setting in Gmail. So for those of you that don't know where this setting is, I just want to show you really quickly where it is, because it's actually a really useful tool. And I'll explain why, but let me jump into the settings. So I'm actually in my own personal Gmail account. I'm just on the drafts tab. I don't want you to see my entire inbox, but basically the first thing you want to do to create to schedule the send is you want to go to Compose right here, top left, and you want to open your text box, and we'll just say just for an example. We'll do my generic Gmail email. Subject doesn't really, this is just a test, so email test. And let's just say, hey buddy, how are you doing? All right, sounds good. So actually, let me move this window over here. So after you compose your message, you want to go to the bottom right here where it's the blue send button right here, and you'll see a little drop down arrow. You want to click on that, and you can actually have the option to schedule send. So you hit schedule send, and it gives you a couple of default times to send the email. So if one of these options works for you, go ahead and click on it, but I usually like to customize the day and time that I send something. So I'm gonna pick date and time, click on that. And right now I'm creating the email on Friday the 29th, but let's say I want to post it for tomorrow on Saturday the 30th. So I click on the 30th, and you need to manually enter in the time. So let's just say that I want to send this out at 8 a.m. So you just manually want to enter in what time you want to do that. And then you also want to manually enter in the time, AM or PM. If you do lowercase, it goes right back to capitals, which is totally cool. And then you want to do schedule send. Okay. Now, after you click schedule send, you'll go to the scheduled tab over here. And if you click on it, you'll see that the email is ready to be sent. It says messages and scheduled will be sent at their scheduled time. And it has the date that it plans on being sent at. You can open it up and click it, and it'll also say it in gray right here, send scheduled for tomorrow at 8 a.m. Now, if you want to cancel send, you can cancel it right here. I'll show you what that looks like. I mean, you just click on that, and then it cancels it. And then you can X out of it right here as well. So, and it will show up in your drafts too. So if you want to delete that, all you have to do is go here and then discard drafts like that. So I just wanted to explain why you might want to do this, because I know some of you are probably like, why would you want to schedule an email? There's been times when I've been running my business where I get peak amounts of energy at nighttime, say like 9-10 o'clock at night, and I'm just awake and I'm ready to do something admin wise with the business, but you don't want to be emailing your clients and customers and everybody at like 10 p.m. It just maybe doesn't look as professional, but I want to take advantage of that energy that I have, that overflow of energy, because I can get work done, but the type of work that I want to do during that time frame might not align with society, right? So the way I've been able to work around that is, say I have like a laundry list of emails that I need to send out the next day. In the past, what I would do is I'd be like, oh, I really want to work on those emails now, but I can't, so I'll just wait until I wake up tomorrow morning. But now that I've discovered the schedule send feature, I'll crank out maybe 10, 15 emails at night and schedule them to be sent out at 8 o'clock in the morning the next day. And that way, my clients don't think I'm some crazy lunatic that stays up till 2 a.m. emailing the world. It looks like I'm actually sending that at 8 a.m. the next day. So that's a big reason why I really like the schedule send feature in Gmail. Hopefully this added value to you somehow, and hopefully you'll take advantage of this feature. Thank you so much for tuning in. We really appreciate it. If this is your first time visiting us on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button below. We're a channel that just really wants to help out other artists and creative entrepreneurs as you all grow your creative empires as well. And we just have a lot of fun creating video content for you guys. So if that's something you're into, please subscribe. And I'll talk to you next time in another video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.